Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be replacing a part on the Ford 500 because it broke, and so yeah, we're just going to replace it. And stay tuned, don't go away. Bruh. This is basically what we're going to do. And yeah, it's so I got the piece here. Of course, you know us, we gotta try to save some money, you know what I'm saying? And so we got this on a used auto part, so there's that. Let me capture this for the what do you call that, the thumbnail. Anyway, so we got this piece right here, and this one is a little bit scuffed up, unfortunately. I didn't really plan this out correctly, so here's why it's scuffed up. Yeah, so I left it in the back of the bed of the truck, and this thing was kind of like just floating around, and now unfortunately it's a little scuffed up. But I am still gonna go ahead and put it because these parts are super difficult to extract without breaking the tabs. So now these tabs you see right here go in these slots, and so what happens when you're extracting these, when you're removing this piece, these metal pieces right here get stuck in this like plastic looking thing. So what happens, they get stuck, and then it, you try to yank it, and then that of course breaks the tabs. And so that's what happened with the previous one that you see here. So that, you see how it's pretty beat up. It just got obliterated when I was trying to take it out, unfortunately. And of course this one was in better condition. Unfortunately, I can't use this anymore, and all the remnants are just these things right here. So yeah, just like I said, unfortunately this is all that's left. But good news is that we can save these right here in case these were to break. So you see this right here, those tabs would go in there, and these are still functioning pretty good. So this still functions, correctly. The fins inside move. So I'm definitely going to save these vents right here. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this here, see if I could kind of show you guys how to install this. We're not gonna clean it from the front right now, but we are going to install this. So all you have to do is, it just goes like this, and then make sure that you connect that connection to this right here. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in. Just a reminder, when you want to put this in, make sure this goes in first right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that, go to the other side. So basically this is how I'm gonna do it. I don't recommend you doing it like that. I would recommend taking that trim over there first and then this, but I'm gonna try it like this. Hopefully we don't break it, but I will kind of like work it in there and then just go from there. Kind of what I want to do here. Okay, so I see what's going on. So this was what I'm talking about. You see this is broken in there, so let me go ahead and get that out. So this was the part that was broken in there. And I'm gonna tell you one thing, guys, when you guys go to the yards, people that try to take these off, they don't do it carefully. So what you need to do is get a trim tool kit and use the one that's kind of like medium size. I'll see if I can go ahead and get that for you guys in a bit, and then just kind of work it from top to bottom for every slot that you see. Top, bottom, and that way you do not break those tabs that I just showed you. So I was able to get it in there like that, but I truly don't recommend you guys doing it the way I just did it. It was kind of sounding like it was going to break. So, you know, just don't recommend it. I've already, guys, just kind of tried to get it like on there the proper way. We got lucky. We lucked out on this, and one of the reasons was because the tab on this one was broken, so that's why now I'm gonna have like that little bit of separation here. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna go after this piece, you know, as long as it just looks decent here and everything seems to work in there. As you can see, the vents open and close. Everything works. Yep. Awesome. And oh man, I forgot to connect this airbag piece, but let me go ahead and do that little after. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this install, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. And that's pretty much it. Now for the trim tool piece. Now for the trim tool that you guys can use for this removal, I'm gonna show you guys. So there you go. There you go. Now just close this. There you go. So now new piece, new to me, and old piece with all the tabs broken. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell button for future uploads. Also, we'll have more videos on this car. I'm talking about a simple tool that I bought from a toolkit on Amazon, so I'll leave that link down below. These things really come in handy, and that toolkit was cheap and it had all the tools that I needed, even the one with the handle and the metal fastener remover. So that's really good, comes in handy. So yeah, guys, we'll catch you later on the next one.